Hello kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 9, Adverbs and Degree of Comparison. Okay, so let us start now this chapter kids. चलिए करते हैं the six definitions को. Okay, a word that describes a verb is called an adverb. A phrase which functions as an adverb is called an adverb. Okay, चलिए usually an adverb describes नंबर फर्स्ट है वर्ब एग्जांपल है दीपिका राइट्स स्पीडली। नेक्स्ट है एडजेक्टिव की बात करें एग्जांपल है श्रुति हैड पेंटिंग इट एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटीफुल। नेक्स्ट है अनदर एडवर्ब एग्जांपल है भूमि राइट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुली। चलिए काइंड ऑफ एडवर्ब है एडवर्ब्स कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू वेरियस काइंड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर मीनिंग्स एंड यूजेस। ओके चलिए एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम है द एडवर्ब दैट शो व्हेन एन एक्शन इज डन आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम। दे आंसर द क्वेश्चंस है व्हेन नाउ सून देन येट रिसेंटली इवेंटली यस्टरडे टुमारो डेली अर्ली आर सम एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम। एग्जांपल है माय फादर हैज ऑलरेडी गॉन टू दिल्ली। चल आगे है एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर द एडवर्ब दैट शो हाउ और इन व्हाट मैनर एन एक्शन इज डन आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर। The answer the questions and how most of them are formed by adding add by to an adjective mostly consciously generously permanently fast well are some adverb of example है Mr. Goyal worked recently in the rainy days to discover how malaria spread. चलिए आगे adverb of degree the adverb that show how much or to what extent a thing is done. They answer the question how much they are the place before the adjective or adverb to fairly hardly just very nearly entirely rather almost extremely quite are some adverbs of degree. Okay so an example है the doctor is rather busy. Adverb of place tells us where or at what place an action took place and adverb of place answer the question में आता है where. Some adverb of place are inside outside there anywhere nowhere upstairs downstairs away in and out. Okay चलिए आगे एग्जांपल्स हैं द इंडियन नेवी boats looked everywhere toward the boats of the Indian fishermen. चलिए adverb of the place sometimes express movement like homewards northwards inwards sideways and so on. Okay चलिए next adverb of the place like behind cross around along also act as preposition. Next adverb of frequency. Adverb of the frequency tells us how often something happens. The answer the question है how often. Adverb of the frequency usually come before the verb. Sometimes we can write them at the end of the sentences. Some adverbs of the frequency are sometimes every time held up, usually once a month at one pray. Example है Kanika frequently forgets to do her homework. Okay चलिए आगे है नंबर 6 पर interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions words like how, there, where, how many, how much, how often, how long, and why, and so on are used for asking questions about time, place, manner, quantity, reason, and frequency of an action. They usually come at the beginning of a sentences. Example है where. Where did the children go for picnic? Next है how often do you go for shopping? Next है How is the girl performing in academics? When will the meeting be held? They say, how well do we know here? हमारे सामने exclamatory adverbs. Exclamatory adverbs access degrees or extent in exclamations. How and what are exclamatory adverbs? Example है, how beautifully she does. What a lovely say. Okay. चलिए adverb of the affirmation and negations है. Adverb of the affirmation and negations express hesitation or deny. Example है, she will definitely come. She is not willingly to go. चलिए relative adverbs है. Relative adverbs are words like where, when, why and so on. They function as adverbs and as conjunction also. Example है, they come here whenever they are free. She cannot recollect when she booked the gas refill. In the above sentences, whenever and the when are the relative. Now, kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood that. Thank you. Have a nice day.